Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to use colons correctly in digital SAT verbal tests. On the SAT, a colon is used for two main reasons. First, to introduce a list. Second, to explain or expand on what came before it. But there is one important rule. The part before the colon must be a complete sentence or a complete thought, which is called an independent clause. Example 1 for the lists. He brought 3 things to the meeting: colon, a laptop, a pen, and a notebook. In this sentence, 3 items were separated by means of a comma, which are lists. In the second sentence, such as, colon, a laptop, a pen, and a notebook, we see that such as is not a full sentence before the colon. So this is incorrect. Example 2. For the explanations. As we have mentioned, colons can also be used to explain something that is stated before. In this sentence, she finally understood the truth, the complete thought. And then we put a colon to explain. He had never intended to help. The second part explains or clarifies the first. Here is what to watch for on the test. Sometimes the SAT will give you a sentence like this. My favorite hobbies are, colon, reading, swimming, and coding. Why is it wrong? Because my favorite hobbies are is not a full sentence. The correct version will be, I have 3 favorite hobbies, colon, reading, swimming, and coding. Now let's work on a question. Which sentence uses the colon correctly? Option A. He enjoys, colon, biking, hiking, and climbing. The portion before the colon, he enjoys, is not a full thought or a complete sentence. So this is incorrect. Option B. He has many outdoor hobbies, colon, biking, hiking, and climbing. He has many outdoor hobbies is a complete thought. So this is correct. Option C. He has many, colon, biking, hiking, and climbing. It has got the same problem. He has many is not a full thought. So this is incorrect. His favorites, again, the same mistake, which is not a complete thought, colon, biking, hiking, and climbing, is also incorrect because of the same problem. Thanks for watching. Master the SAT one rule at a time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow for more SAT verbal tips. And next video will be about semicolon secrets for the SAT.